Good morning. Welcome to Hindi is Easy. Today we are going to see the line by line explanation for the lesson Prakritik Sotra Huve Virodhi. Lesson number 12, Class 6 Vani Hindi Patmala. Hope you have seen the previous video, the line by line reading of the lesson. If not, I'll give the link in the description box. You can go and check the video along with the book and read the lesson one or two times and check your pronunciation. If you're still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and recommend among your friends circle. If you have any clarification or feedback, please put in the comment section and surely reply back. If you like the video or the video is useful for you, please click the like button. Your subscription and like will motivate me to add more videos. So before getting into the line by line explanation, let's have a quick introduction given in the book.
पाठ में बिजली, पानी, गैस, पेट्रोल आदि मानव रूप में आकर मनुष्य को चेतावनी देते हैं. सो इन दिस लेसन द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, द वाटर, द गैस, द पेट्रोल, everyone comes in a disguise as a human being and it wants the human beings. Chetavnina warn பண்றது to the human beings. All the natural resources are warning. The kids here wear the mask as if a water, as petrol, as natural resources and coming and performing in the stage and it's warning the people. सावधान करते हैं कि यदि मनुष्य ने प्राकृतिक संसाधनों का दुरुपयोग बंद नहीं किया तो उन्हें इनकी बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ सकती है. सो इट इज़ गिविंग द कॉन्शियस, मेकिंग अस टू नो that if we human beings are misusing the natural resources, then in return we have to pay very hefty amount. We have to pay something big. बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकाने means we have to pay in return in a hefty way.
हमें प्रकृति से प्राप्त प्रत्येक वस्तु का सम्मान करना चाहिए. सो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम द नेचर वी हैव टू रेस्पेक्ट दैट. प्रत्येक ना ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, वस्तु इज थिंग एंड सम्मान इज रेस्पेक्ट. प्रकृति हमें निस्वार्थ भाव से सिर्फ देती है एंड द नेचर नॉट बीइंग सो सेल्फिश इट ऑलवेज गिव्स, जबकि बदले में कुछ नहीं लेती, बट इन रिटर्न इट डजंट टेक एनीथिंग फ्रॉम अस. इसलिए हमारा भी कर्तव्य बनता है, इट्स ऑल्सो अवर ड्यूटी दैट हम प्रकृति को साफ स्वच्छ रखें. वी कीप आवर नेचर क्लीन एंड प्योर. और उससे द प्रोनाउन यूज्ड फॉर द नेचर. सो वॉट एवर थिंग्स वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम द नेचर, संसाधनों को अपनी आने वाली भावी पीढ़ी के लिए सुरक्षित रख सकें. सो वॉट एवर resources we are using from the nature, we have to keep them safely, protect them for our next generation. Bhavi Pidi means the coming generation. So this lesson teaches us the importance of using of natural resources judiciously. So you should not misuse or waste the natural resources. Can you tell me the natural resources which you see around us? Through a play staged by children, it warns us about the consequences of wasting our natural resources. This lesson is a conversation based a playlet where the students wearing the mask of natural resources, they come and give us the details of misusing the natural resources and warn the human being not to misuse the natural resources, and also takes a promise that we should not waste our natural resources and we have to protect the natural resources. The natural resources which are around us, we can see sun, the forest, the rock, the minerals, animals, air, the oil, water and soil. These are our natural resources. See, wind energy, solar energy, forest resources, water resources, animal resources, natural gas, land resources, crude oil and from precious metals and minerals. This is the percentage of our natural resources which we use. We have to protect all these resources for our next generation. So forests, you have to plant more trees. You have to take care of animals so that food chain and food web is not destroyed. The natural gas you have to use judiciously so that it doesn't get over. So the land resources, we have to take care of our land. We have to use the crude oil in a judicious way. We have to take care of the metals, the water resources. Fresh water availability may get reduced. If we continue to misuse the water resources, the water scarcity can happen in coming years. So we have to use all these natural resources judiciously. An activity is given here. So can you see the picture? So the two ladies are talking here and the gas is on. He is washing the car using the water from the hose, so wasting water. Here the electricity and electricity is getting wasted. The fan is on but no one is there. So they have kept both the vehicles on and they are doing the discussion. So the fuel is getting wasted here. ये चित्र क्या बता रहे हैं? So wasting of natural resources. प्राकृतिक संसाधनों के दुरुपयोग से क्या क्या नुकसान हो सकते हैं? When you are misusing the natural resources, what are the different types of losses which you may face? First main thing that we will lose by misusing the natural resources is the living itself. In a day-to-day living life, we are directly or indirectly supporting on natural resources, and everything is derived from the natural resources. So if you misuse all these natural resources, ultimately the living itself is not possible. उन कार्यों की सूची बनाइए जिसके द्वारा हम प्राकृतिक संसाधनों के अपव्यय को रोक सके.
Apavai is wastage.
Can you list few things from which we can reduce the dissipation of natural resources? As a kids, first we should not waste the paper. We should try to recycle things.
We should reduce usage of plastic things so that the soil can be saved.
We should plant more trees, forestation, and we have to save water. We have to use water judiciously. These are the small things which you can do at home. Saving the electricity, switching off all the fans and light, okay, when it is not needed, using the water in a judicious way. So whenever needed, you use the water. Don't open the tap and keep and waste the water. These small things, if you take care, then you can naturally reduce the
Wastage of natural resources.
small things are taken care, we can stop misusing the natural resources. Natural resources, which is our center of our life, it is a part of our ecosystem, and it also develops us economically, and it also keeps the environmental balance. If you disturb any natural resources, the environment balance will get disturbed, the economical development may not happen, and the ecosystem is also completely affected. So our living itself will become impossible. So the earth is the only planet, right, where living is possible. But if we misuse our natural resources, then living in earth may not be possible in the coming days. So we have to be very judiciously take the things so that the living is possible for our coming generation without any issues. पाठ का संदेश, मैसेज ऑफ द लेसन. प्राकृतिक द्वारा दी गई प्रत्येक वस्तु मूल्यवान है. सो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग गिवन फ्रॉम द नेचर इज वेरी प्रीशियस. मूल्यवान है, प्रीशियस. हमें उनका दुरुपयोग नहीं करना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट मिस यूज दोज थिंग्स दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम द नेचर. उन्हें नष्ट होने से बचाना चाहिए. वी हैव टू सेव देम फ्रॉम डिस्ट्रॉइंग. So this is the message we have to take from this lesson. You are able to see few resources, right? Crude oil, land resources, animal resources, water resources.
So what resources will get over or will have scarcity in near future if you are misusing this? So drinking water scarcity will come in near future if we keep misusing the water resources.
It is our duty that we save our natural resources. So small tips, if you follow at home or in and around you, then you can contribute for saving the natural resources. So having said this, let's see what is given in the lesson. Chapter objective. So पाठ का उद्देश्य प्राकृतिक स्रोतों के बारे में जानकारी देना. So this lesson will give you the details about the natural resources. Yes, we have seen few images. What are the natural resources which we have around us? प्रकृति से प्राप्त चीज़ों का दुरुपयोग न करने की सीख देना. एंड वी ऑल्सो गेट द मैसेज दैट वी शुड नॉट मिस यूज द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज वी नो what are the consequences can happen if we disturb our natural resources. एकांकी द्वारा प्राकृतिक संसाधनों के महत्व को समझना. So to this playlet we will also understand the importance of natural resources. Each and every natural resource has its own importance. These competencies चीज़ों की आवश्यकता को समझेंगे. So we will understand the need of the things. Without need you should not use anything, right? Unnecessarily you should not use any of the natural resources. प्रकृति से प्राप्त चीज़ों का सम्मान करेंगे. We will respect each and everything which we get from the nature. So have respect towards the products which we get from nature. लोगों को प्राकृतिक संसाधनों के उपाय की जानकारी दे पाएंगे. एंड यू विल ऑल्सो गिव द अवेयरनेस टू अदर्स what are the natural resources we have around us and how judiciously we have to use it. The learning outcome, दी गई सामग्री पर चिंतन करते हुए बेहतर समझ के लिए प्रश्न पूछते हैं. So you will be able to ask questions about the based upon the understanding which we have read from this lesson. दूसरों की बातों को समझकर उनका उत्तर अपने ढंग से दे सकते हैं. So you should be able to understand the question raised by others and give your reply accordingly. प्राकृतिक संसाधनों की उपयोगिता पर परिवार के बीच चर्चा करते हैं. Usage of natural resources, you know which we are using better, which we are misusing. Accordingly, you can discuss with your family members. So what I'm going to learn from this lesson, so you will understand the requirement of things, you will respect things from the nature, you'll be able to give information to people about that, the usage of natural resources and how we can expand the utility of natural resources as per the need, and how judiciously we have to use the natural resources. And we'll also be able to spread the awareness for the essential things like electricity, water, animal resources, land resources, how we have to save these things and how we have to use according to the need. So reflecting on the material need and asking questions for better understanding, yes, we will also get to know whether you have to ask question to yourself whether it is necessary for me to use this or we can avoid. So reflecting all those learnings, you will be able to take a quite good decision of not misusing the natural resources. So this discussion of usefulness of natural resources among your family, yes, you will also let your family members know about the same thing. Doing all these things, you will understand the importance of natural resources. You will be respecting the things we get from natural resources. We will help each other, and this helping each other is one of the most important thing that we have to learn. By helping each other, we are not just growing, we are also saving the natural resources in one way or the other way. So you will also get to know the different natural resources which we have around us, the fuel, water, gas, electricity, everything. This lesson will make you to think critically. You will get the global awareness. You will also have the life skills to use things judiciously. Having said all these things, now let's see, read the lesson line by line and understand further. पात्र कुल 6 है, 3 लड़के 3 लड़कियां. So the characters involved in this lesson are 3 boys and 3 girls. So this is a conversation based lesson, so where the conversation happens between the 3 boys and 3 girls, and here the narrator will explain us the scene. So when the curtain has to open in the playlet, we have to understand, right, what scene it is. So the narrator will give the details about the scene that is going to happen on the stage. Let's quickly see the format of conversation, writing a conversation or script writing through this lesson also. So the narration part will be given by the narrator, the hand gestures, the movements, everything, the facial expression, voice modulation, everything will be given in the bracket here. And the dialogue which we have to say, you don't have to put a quotation for each and every dialogue. Instead, we have to put a colon, or you can put a long hyphen saying and making the reader to understand this dialogue is said by this person. So the name is given in the left side, the dialogue is given in the right side, and the both are connected with either colon or with the long hyphen. This is the pattern for script writing. Let's read this lesson. घर का दृश्य है, so the narrator is giving the scene. So when the curtain opens in the stage, this is the scene. घर का दृश्य, it is a home. मंच पर एक तरफ पानी से भरी बाल्टी, स्कूटर, चूल्हा और गैस सिलेंडर रखा है. So in the stage they have kept a scooter, the gas stove, the cylinder, water bucket and a fan. So this is the products they have kept on the stage, and when the curtain opens we can see the house. Now Abhay, कल सारा दिन पानी नहीं आया. Yesterday for the whole day water didn't come. सभी कामों को करने के लिए थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी इस्तेमाल करना पड़ा. So to do all the works I had to use very little water for everything. इस्तेमाल ना use. ये कहते हुए अभय बैठ जाता है. Telling this, Abhay sits down. So this is the hand gesture or the gesture. This is the gesture of Abhay. So they have to put in the bracket. पानी का मुखौटा लगाए लड़की का प्रवेश. So the next scene is Wearing the mask of water, a girl is entering into the stage. Pravesh means entering, Mukhota is the mask. Now, the wearing the mask of water, a girl is entered. Now she is talking. If you see here, they are human beings and they are wearing the mask and they are talking as if they are the electricity or the gas, natural gas. Okay, the மாதிரி face mark போட்டு தான் they are coming and doing the conversation in the stage. So wearing such masks, this small girls and boys are doing the conversation in the stage for people to understand about the natural resources. पानी, मैं हूँ पानी, I am water. मुझे सबसे अधिक व्यर्थ समझा जाता है एंड यू पीपल कंसिडर मी टू बी वेस्ट. व्यर्थ ना वेस्ट. किसी ने सही कहा है. सो समवन हैज टोल्ड ट्रू ओनली. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. सो
This is a muhavra, idioms and phrases meaning whatever things you get very easily, it doesn't have any value.
मैं हड़ताल पर जा रहा हूँ. सो इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मी, सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू द स्ट्राइक. सो हड़ताल ना स्ट्राइक. अभय, तो क्या तुमने हड़ताल कर रखी है? आर यू डूइंग द स्ट्राइक? हैव यू स्टार्टेड द स्ट्राइक? लाइक दैट अभय इज आस्किंग टू वाटर. पानी, और नहीं तो क्या?
And if not, then what? In the sense, there is no other option left with me.
घर हो या बाहर या जहाँ देखो तो वहीं तुम लोग नल को खुला छोड़ देते हो. इवन एट होम और आउटसाइड होम, वेर एवर यू गो, यू आर कीपिंग द टैप ओपन. नल खुला मीन्स टैप इज केप्ट ओपन. नहाने धोने आदि के काम में भी मनामन पानी खर्च करते हो रहते हो. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू वॉश, इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक बाथ, नहाने मीन्स taking bath, dhone is washing. So if you want to do the washing and taking bath also, you are wasting the water just like that. Manaman means as like your mind says, you'll open the tap and you'll keep on taking bath or washing the clothes or washing the vehicles and wasting the water only. खर्च करना means spending the water as your mind says. शुभम, अरे पानी, तुम हड़ताल पर मत जाओ. Hey water, you don't go for strike. Like that. Shubham is requesting water. Mat is don't. So here, what type of sentence it is? He is giving a request. पानी, अब तुम सब बूंद बूंद पानी के लिए तरसो.
Tarso means thirst, have a carving. For each and each droplet, each and every droplet, you have to carve, you have to wait, to earn.
अभय, कल सारी रात से बिजली भी नहीं थी. सो फ्रॉम yesterday नाइट देयर वाज नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑल्सो. गर्मी और मच्छरों ने रात पर सोने भी नहीं दिया. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द हीट एंड द मस्कीटो, द होल नाइट, रात भर ना, द होल नाइट it didn't allow us to sleep. What didn't allow Abhay to sleep?
गर्मी और मच्छरों. Since electricity was not there, the heat and the mosquito didn't allow Abhay to sleep for the whole night.
शुभम, हमारे यहाँ तो कल दोपहर से ही पानी बिजली दोनों नहीं है. In my house from the afternoon itself there was no water and no electricity. अभय, अच्छा ठहरो, मैं तुम्हारे लिए कॉफ़ी बना कर लाता हूँ. ओके, लेट्स यू वेट, आई विल मेक कॉफ़ी एंड ब्रिंग इट फॉर यू. मैचिस से गैस चूल्हा जलाने की कोशिश करता है. सो मैचिस इज मैच बॉक्स, गैस चूल्हा इज द गैस स्टव. सो इज ट्राइंग टू लिट द गैस स्टव. कोशिश मीन्स ट्राइंग. शुभम, लगता है. सो गिव ए पॉज, स्वल्प विराम इज यूज्ड हियर, कमा. सिलेंडर में गैस खत्म हो गए. सीम्स दैट इन द सिलेंडर द गैस गॉट एम्प्टी.
चलो कहीं बाहर घूमने चलते हैं. लेट्स गो एंड रोम आउट.
अभय स्कूटर स्टार्ट करने लगता है. सो अभय स्टार्टिंग द स्कूटर नाउ, द टू व्हीलर. लगातार कई बार कोशिश करने के बाद भी स्कूटर नहीं चलता. सो दिस इज अ जेस्चर. सो आफ्टर ट्राइंग फॉर मेनी टाइम्स टू स्टार्ट द स्कूटर ऑल्सो, द स्कूटर डिडंट स्टार्ट अप. अभय, शायद स्कूटर का पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया. सो द पेट्रोल इन द स्कूटर इज ऑल्सो हैज गॉट ओवर. लाइक दैट अभय इज टेलिंग, शायद ना, मे बी. मंच के पीछे से आवाज आती है. नाउ बिहाइंड द स्टेज, मंच इज स्टेज. सो बिहाइंड द स्टेज द साउंड इज कमिंग. मनुष्यों के द्वारा हमारा दुरुपयोग किए जाने के विरोध में हमने हड़ताल की है। हड़ताल। चेहरे पे बिजली का मुखौटा लगाए एक लड़की का प्रवेश होता है। सो बैक स्टेज वी आर एबल टू हियर द वॉइस लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैव मिसयूज्ड द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, हेंस we natural resources are going against towards them and we have done the strike. So virodhana oppose pandrom, opposing the activity of misusing the natural resources. We are in strike. Like that, the faceler mask போட்டிருக்காங்க. What mask the girl has put is electricity or a mask போட்டு a girl is entering into the stage. This is the narration part. बिजली और मैं बिजली हूँ बिजली, सो आई एम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। तुम सब मिलकर मेरा बहुत दुरुपयोग करते हो, सो यू ऑल टुगेदर मिस यूज मी, इसलिए मैंने भी हड़ताल कर रखी है। सो आई हैव ऑल्सो डन द स्ट्राइक नाउ। शुभम बिजली रानी तुम तो बहुत गुस्से में लग रहे हो, सो शुभम इज टेलिंग बिजली रानी, सो क्वीन, electricity queen, you looks to be more anger. गुस्से ना एंगरல இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு. You are in anger now. बिजली। कभी टीवी चलता छोड़ देते हो, so leaving the TV on, you are going somewhere. तो कभी पंखा, sometimes fan. So not switching off the TV, not switching off the fan if you are not using it. You are still keeping it on and going away. कूलर हीटर या एसी भी बेकार चलता रहता है, सो कूलर ऑल्सो और हीटर और द एसी एवरीथिंग वेस्टली इट इज रनिंग, यू आर यूजिंग मिस यूजिंग द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। दिन के उजाले में भी सारा दिन बत्तियाँ ऐसे ही जलती रहती है, इवन ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम एंड द ब्राइटनेस इज देयर, स्टिल यू आर कीपिंग द बत्तियाँ ना लाइट्स आर केप्ट ऑन इवन इन द डे टाइम एंड मिस यूजिंग द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। मंच पर गैस सिलेंडर का मुखौटा लगाए लड़की का प्रवेश होता है। सो इन द स्टेज, सो गैस सिलेंडर और मास्क पोटे वन मोर गर्ल इज एंटरिंग इनटू द स्टेज। गैस, मैं रसोई गैस हूँ, सो आई एम द नेचुरल गैस फ्यूल यूज्ड इन द किचन, रसोई ना किचन। शुभम गैस, क्यों गैस मैडम, अब भला तुम्हें कोई परेशानी हो गई है, सो व्हाट गैस मैडम, डू यू हैव एनी worriness, pareshanis, do you to have any worriness now? Like that Shubham is asking to this person who is wearing the mask of gas. Yes, तुम लोग बिजली और पानी की तरफ मेरा भी बहुत दुरुपयोग करते हो, so you people like you are wasting the electricity and water, you also misuse me. अभय, तुम हड़ताल पर मत जाओ वरना हम असहाय हो जाएंगे। You also don't go for strike, मत ना don't, हड़ताल is strike, असहाय means without any support, so you also don't go for strike, we will not have anyone to support us. Yes, बहुत अच्छी बात है, it's very good। अब तुम अपने आप को कोसते रहो, you keep cursing yourself, कोसते ना कर्स பண்ணிட்டே இருங்க because of misusing the natural resources. Now we are doing the strike, now you keep cursing yourself for misusing the natural resources, you keep cursing yourself, we all are going for the strike. Like that the gas madam is telling to Abhay. पेट्रोल का मुखौटा लगाए लड़के का मंच पर प्रवेश। नाउ द मास्क इज पेट्रोल मास्क वियर पनी, एक बॉय इज एंटरिंग द स्टेज। पेट्रोल, मैं पेट्रोल हूँ पेट्रोल, आई एम पेट्रोल। अभय, तो क्या तुम भी हड़ताल पर हो, सो यू आर ऑल्सो इन द स्ट्राइक नाउ, लाइक दैट अभय इज आस्किंग टू पेट्रोल हाँ। So after saying yes or no as the first word in the sentence, you have to put a alpaviram. So how that sentence start agadu? If using yes or no when you are starting the sentence, then after yes or no you have to put the alpaviram. This is the punctuation rule which you have to follow. हाँ, तुम लोग जिस तेजी से मेरा अपव्यय कर रहे हो उससे तो मैं सदा के लिए समाप्त हो जाऊंगा। So in the speed, तेजी ना, the speed which the way you are misusing me. In the speed way in which we are dissipating me, apavai means dissipating or wasting, the speed in which you are using me, maybe I will get over for all. If you are misusing the petrol, then you will not have petrol for the next generation. I'll get end very early if you are misusing me. शुभम, पेट्रोल भाई, इससे तो जीवन की गति ही रुक जाएगी।
Shubham is telling to petrol bro, if you are not there then our life speed will get stopped. So जीवन की गति means the progress or the movement which we have in our life.
So if the petrol is not there, the vehicle movement will also reduce, the vehicle movement or the speed will also reduce. So when that reduces, the progress in our life, the speed which we have in our life will also get reduced automatically. So Jivan ki gati means the speed in which the life moves. That will also stop if petrol is not there in the. So can you see the mask, water, gas, electricity and petrol. And here Shubham and Ajay is having the conversation with these four. अभय, हम सब अपनी गलती को स्वीकार करते हैं. वी ऑल एक्सेप्ट आवर मिस्टेक. एक्सेप्ट इज स्वीकार इज एक्सेप्ट. गलती इज मिस्टेक. पेट्रोल, पानी, बिजली, गैस. आप सब लोग आ जाइए. सो यू ऑल कम हियर. बिजली, पानी, गैस के मुखौटे वाली लड़कियां एक साथ मंच पर आ जाती है. सो एवरीवन कम्स ऑन द स्टेज. सो पानी, गैस एंड बिजली पोर्टर का एवरीवन कम्स इन द स्टेज. पानी, हम सभी की बस एक ही शर्त है. वी ऑल हैव वन कंडीशन. वन इज शर्त ना कंडीशन. कि लोगों को हमारे व्यर्थ के अपव्यय पर रोक लगानी होगी. सो यू हैव टू स्टॉप मिसयूजिंग अस. You have to stop dissipating us. This is the condition one which we keep in front of you. समय रहते समाप्त होने से बचना होगा. समय रहते means when the time is there. समाप्त means getting over. So you have to save us from getting over when the time is there. Because after we are misusing this all the resources for long many years, they will not have the time to save it. So when you have the time now to save it, please save us so that we don't get over. Like that they are giving the warning. The water is giving the warning to ह्यूमन बींग्स. तभी बिजली, पानी, गैस, पेट्रोल जैसे प्राकृतिक संसाधनों की बचत हो सके. When you are taking these steps only, you can be able to save this natural resources like electricity, water, gas and petrol. शुभम, हम आपकी शर्त स्वीकार करते हैं. We accept the condition of yours that we will not waste the natural resources. सभी, all together. अगर आप हमारी शर्त स्वीकार करते हैं, if you are accepting our कंडीशन, तो समझो कि हड़ताल की समाप्त. वी आर एंडिंग अवर स्ट्राइक. सभी ताली बजाते हैं. सो एवरीवन क्लैप हैंड्स एंड पर्दा गिरता है. द कर्टन इज मूविंग डाउन. सो वेरी ब्यूटिफुली द ऑथर हैज गिवन अस हाउ वी हैव टू यूज आवर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. what may happen in future if you are not taking care of natural resources. Hope you have understood the lesson. If you have any doubt or clarification, put in the comment section. Surely reply back. Thank you, students.